Hi, I'm Ola from EZLiving Furniture and this is the Aurora sofa range. We are spoilt for choice with the Aurora sofa range as there are plenty of options available, and these include a corner unit that is available in a left hand and a right hand facing, a corner lounger unit which is also available in a left hand and a right hand faces, a large and a small storage footstool, an armchair and also a regular 4, 3 and 2 seater sofas. This sofa is the definition of style and comfort. It features a very modern and boxy design with the slim and low arms and the seat cushions which measure at approximately 75 centimetres in width and depth that are just perfect for snuggling up after a long day at work. The seat cushions feature a tensioned woven elastic webbing and foam that provide us with superb comfort. The back cushions are filled with high quality fibre which again just adds to the comfort levels of the sofa. We have duck feather fillings in the scatter cushions and all of the seat and cushion covers are removable for professional cleaning only. Gift yourself the most comfortable lounging experience with the Aurora sofa range by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.